Hi everyone, it's Dawn Duvall with Shall We Stamp, coming to you from sunny, hot Florida. It's August 2019, and I wanted to go over a new program that I'm going to start offering this month, which is a free card kit program. That's my way of thanking you for your purchases. So place a $20 order through my shallwestamp.com store, and you will receive one card kit. If you place a $35 merchandise order, that's 2 card kits, and a $50 order is 3, and you'll need to use the host code for all 3 of those, which will be found on the first page of my blog. If you place a $150 order in my online store, do not use the hostess code so that you can take advantage of the stamping rewards. Also, if you haven't joined my customer loyalty program, Savvy Stamper Perks, then you need to do that. So for every $50 increments of 50 that you spend, then you'll be able to get a line completed, and once you complete the form, then you'll send me that form with your order for $40 of merchandise that I will purchase on your behalf. Shallwestamp.com is the website is my blog that you'll go to, and the card kits will be available for 2 months. In addition to the kit, you're going to receive a full color tutorial and the video that will walk you through creating those cards, and you can purchase the items that I'm using through my store, or use your existing inventory, and you may see a little gift or something in your card kit. Who knows? You just never know. Again, that's just thanking you for doing business with me, and I really appreciate it. As I mentioned before, if you haven't signed up for my newsletter, please do so. That will keep you up to date on what's taking place in the crafting world and what's going on with me at shallwestamp.com. If you haven't joined my Facebook group, please do so, and that is at Shall We Stamp 1, the number 1. I will be running live videos on that on a weekly basis. I think I'm shooting for Thursdays, but I'll put a note in there like 2 days before so you can plan on it. And of course, they'll be recorded so that you can view them at your leisure. All right, I hope that's something that you will take advantage of. I just want to share my love of crafting with you and be able to provide you with some of the supplies needed to make the cards and see some beautiful new stamp sets and paper that Stampin' Up! Has to offer. And if you're new to stamping, Stampin' Up! Is the best company because everything is color coordinated, and it's kind of what I always refer to it as dummy proof. You'll look at something and it tells you what colors come in that product, and then you know what color, ink, paper, thread, ribbon, all of that stuff. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this. Go visit my blog for more information on the free card kit program, and also check out my customer loyalty program. And again, if you're a current customer, thank you so much for being a part of my crafting community. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me by emailing me at dawn@shallwestamp.com. You can Facebook message me or whatever. All right, thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in a class coming up soon.